What up, guys? First Call to Universe here, and today we're going to be talking about cutting rocks with the tile saw. See, a tile saw really shouldn't be used for cutting rocks, but it's not going to stop me just because if I don't basically get down to my rock club, or I just don't feel like going, then I can just come back into the backyard and cut up some stuff myself, which is really cool. I mean, makes it so I can actually take some pieces in there and start working on the smaller trim saw, start shaping them and getting ready for cabs. Probably slice them into nice workable blocks, and after that grind and polish. This is just one of the pieces that I've already cut. We're gonna actually run a few through the machine today as well. I cut this one yesterday, so it looked pretty crazy. Then all of a sudden, when you open it up inside, I had them backwards. Yeah, it was like that. There we go. That looked pretty cool, and I got it like right in the middle where I actually got the little crystally cave exposed. It's pretty awesome. And for this being a thick agate, like a really big chunk, the tile saw, I mean, it was impressive that it actually did it. I'm not guaranteed that we're going to be able to accomplish much cutting today with this. I got some construction going on in the background, so we're going to add some music when I start cutting. But definitely it was kind of a shocker that it actually did it. So I hope that I can run a few more pieces through it today and show you guys what I'm talking about. But you can see the tile saw is a lot more aggressive, where it snaps off the pieces of the ends, and it's kind of really too powerful to be doing nice precision cuts. You lose a lot of material as well, but if you have such a big piece, I mean, you're not worried about the little pieces. So that's just really all there is to know. The tile saw is super powerful. It's good for doing the job, but not ideal. I mean, when you just want to have something to do and maybe you want to slab up some rocks, that's fine, but I wouldn't recommend it. Definitely, here comes the music, and I'm going to start cutting in some rocks and show you what it's like to use it, as well as maybe we'll get a surprise of what's inside this one. Alright guys, let's see what's going to happen. Here we go.